It's a story time. Alam niyo yung plano ko dati at the age of 23? Dapat may sarili na akong bahay at sasakyan. And when I reach 25, dapat malaki na yung savings ko sa bangko. At may mga investments na rin dapat ako. At pag tumuntong ako ng 28, finally, I will marry the love of my life. At pagdating ko naman ng 30, I'll have my own kids na. Ni isa sa lahat ng mga yon, wala pang natutupad. Am I lonely? No. Am I disappointed? No. Am I a failure? Still, no. Tandaan mo, there is no deadline to finding your purpose and passion. It's lifelong. There is no overnight success. Walang biglaan. At my right time, para sa lahat. Don't give up on your dreams just because it did not happen the way you wanted to be. Just because you're taking a different road doesn't mean you are lost. You are not early. You are not late. You're on time.